How to redeem your gift card on Crunchyroll. If you would like to redeem a gift card on Crunchyroll, you can go to crunchyroll.com or you can use the Crunchyroll app, but just make sure that you are logged into the correct account where you would like to redeem your gift card. Once you've done that, just click on the profile icon that you can see from the top right hand side and a drop down menu will appear. Over here you can see the option called gift card, redeem it here. Just click on the gift card menu right here, and all you have to do right here is simply go ahead and then enter your gift card code and then hit the continue button, and depending upon the value of the gift card it will be successfully redeemed within your Crunchyroll account. This way you will be able to redeem your Crunchyroll gift card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.